Stand with me for a second. Just notice your body. Are you leaning more on one side than the other? Don't fix anything yet, just notice it. Most people are surprised by what shows up here. So now press your feet into the ground and engage your leg one towards another. That's it, just notice. Notice. And then just start moving your feet. Walk into place just for a moment and stop. Just a tiny bit. Try to bring your big toe in, just a tiny bit. We just want to line up the outer part of our feet here. Yeah. Now, lift your toes. We're going to be playing with balance here today. Not the way you think though. So exhale the toes down and grip the ground. Again, inhale, bring the toes up, spread them. Exhale, clung to your mat. Now engage your leg once towards another. Inhale the shoulder up and back. And same, just notice right now, just notice. And you have an option to move at the wall with me if you want. Just bring your back to the wall. Up, 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 until your bumps touch, your shoulder blades touch. Walk into place, little big toe in. Now feel your shoulder blades, your bum, whatever is touching. Just feel it, feel grounded. Now bring your head back and lift your toes. Spread them, exhale, claw the mat. Engage your leg once towards another. Now I want you to pay attention to your big toe and the inner part of your heel. Make sure it's grabbing the ground. And the little toes and the outer part of the heel. So we want that 4 point. You're joining us today, Paka? At the wall. Yes, you don't have to go at the wall. No. Just notice all your toes. She has extra ones on every feet. So yeah, just notice it. Just notice it. Oh, again, lift the toes up. Exhale down. And this time, paying attention to how your body is lining up, we're going to move forward. Just a little bit. Move forward. Now notice your body. Usually it remembers by itself where it was. It just happens. You can always go back, do a memory screen with your head, and it remembers, and just move forward. Let's take a nice inhale up. Exhale the arm down. Now up for you, maybe just a little bit with the arm. We go at our own range. Exhale. One more breath, little bend in the knee. Inhale. Exhale. This time just the shoulder. Inhale and roll them back. Inhale up. Exhale them back. If the breath is too much to coordinate, just remember not to hold it. Just breathe here. So big toe, little toes, both sides of the heel. Nice lined up. Pretend your shoulder blade, your head, your bum is touching the wall. Now see how it feels. Now we're gonna have a little fun here. We're going to lift more than the toe. We're going to lift one full foot and maybe the other. And we got the wall right there, right? So remember to catch your wall. It's right there. So let's try again. Toes. Just balance on your heel. Get ready to catch that wall. Wiggle the toes. Wiggle fingers. Press the feet down. Toes down. Up and back with the shoulders. Nice little posture. This is called Tadasana, mountain pose. I usually use the English version of words, so you will hear me calling this a mountain pose. And we start a lot of the class just like that. This is class 1 of your Gentle Yoga Reset course. If you would like to continue, just click right here On the next one, I'll be waiting for you. I am Anne Marie, the yoga storyteller with That's Life Yoga, wishing you a wonderful rest of the day. Thank you and namaste.